We, AceMicromatic, are participating in EMO for over 2 decades.
We have run across 4 halls across EMO according to the exhibits. I kindly invite all of you to visit us as per your interest in the respective halls.
Our new products displayed in this EMO are PDA and BMT static and virtual holders.
We are here in Hannover for showcasing our technology. I request every one of you to come and have a look at our machines and technology.
Welcome all of you to our stall at EMO.
He's from AceMicromatic International, expert division of AceMicromatic Group, the largest machine tool group in India. At EMO, we are displaying our global products. Looking forward to seeing you and greeting you in person.